All right, guys. Good morning, everybody. So this week is a short week. So Friday is gonna be a holiday. Market is closed in observance of Christmas time. Christmas Day, because Christmas Day is on Saturday, so the market is gonna be closed on Friday. So today we had a really volatile day. Market was gapping down because of the again the new variant of corona. And yeah, so I had a really good day on AMC. I did a couple of good trades on AMC right at the open, a 1 minute opening range breakup on AMC. So I kind of got it late at 29.68, went up all the way above 30. I added more and I added more and I got a stop out. So in the first trade, I really pretty much lost all the profit, but I got another double bottom on it that when it sold off from 28.80 popped up to almost 30. So I got that pop on it. So that was the profitable trade. This one, unfortunately, the ads didn't work and I got a stopped out on it. And then the TNA, which is a leverage ETF for IWM. IWM is really selling off really bad. It's down 2.7%. It's break down all of these levels. So Brian and I both get TNA long. So I tried to go long first at 71.80, got a stopped out, but quickly got it at 71.20, went all the way up to 72.60, and I got a stopped out at the break even. And then I tried to catch another long on it here at 70.50. I'm actually long on that right now. See if you can bounce from this level or not. So that's the TNA level. What else did we do to trade? I did Apple that it didn't do anything. What did I do? Yeah, so Apple tried to catch a 1 minute opening range breakup, bounce back, and AMD was a loss for me. How did I trade AMD? Oh, yeah. So I got chopped up at the open for the opening range breakup. I tried to catch this 1 minute opening range breakup. I just got chopped up. Eventually it did pop up, but I wasn't in there. So yeah, that only trade for me was profitable was AMC and TNA. TNA I'm still in there, so I don't know if it really bounces back or not. Brian, what did you do?
I traded TZA at the open when the market started to sell off. So I got a nice move on that. And the only other trade that really did really well for me was SOPA. I caught it after the first halt, held it into the second halt, and even held some into the third halt. After the third halt, after the third halt, you always have to be. Second halts are pretty good. After the third halt, you have to be very careful because these tend to fail. And after the third halt, which is exactly what happened, so we get a halt to the downside. Anyway, and I just got long it again on this sell-off. Came down, basically kind of did a 920 trade as you were talking. So really dropped here, dropped right back down, touched the 20 moving average on the 2-minute chart, took it long there, and I'm just going to sell it right now.
Yeah, so these are the halts that you see. They were actually 10 minutes halt. I don't know why they were 10-minute halt.
Yeah.
Usually it's not, but
5-minute.
usually do 5-minute halts. But I don't know, for some reason that they were 10 minutes. So Brian got it from here and then hold it through this, and then usually when you get halted on the way down, it's a little bit something that you got to be a little bit more careful on that. So they become a little more volatile. All right, so market is really weak across all the board. SPY down 2%. QQQ down 1.8%. IWM is the weakest, 3%. IWM is really losing all the gains for the year, really, these critical levels. And Dow Jones is, so Dow is also gapping down 2%. So, what is it, Brian?
Oh, I'm just, SOPA is just going to get halted again to the upside. I still have a few shares left.
Oh, yeah.
A few hundred shares.
Yeah, so the news is, so the Big Capital Bootcamp is, registration is open, guys, for next, I think it starts January 12th. So if you want to sign up, this week we have a couple of presentations. Remember, the Amen and credit presentation is at 5 p.m. because they're in Europe, so time zone is a little bit different. And yeah, looking forward to see all of you this week in the webinars. We do have one special webinar on Thursday for mentorship. I'm going to send an email announcement. We want to talk with one of the traders who went through our mentorship program, and we want to have a chat about his results, P&L, and before, mentorship, after mentorship, the trades, and how he actually benefited our platform. Okay, guys, well, thank you so much. And yeah, so we also had posted after hours with traders with Ardi. So we're gonna, it's also posted on YouTube if you're interested. And yeah, looking forward to see you in the chat room tomorrow morning, guys. Anything from you, Brian? I'm still in this TNA for the bounce. I'm really see if it's gonna bounce or not. Yeah. Anything from you?
I'm still in this back in this SOPA trade. We call it the Greek trade. So I've still got a few hundred shares left here. We'll see what happens when we come out of the halt, but I'm expecting it'll probably go to $10. So yeah. Anyway, yeah, it's good. It's all good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, everybody.
So I see, Francois, you did the boot camp and you were happy, and thanks for mentioning that. Really, that's good to hear. And what else do we have?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll be back on a little later in the day. We'll talk about swing trading.
Yeah. So the TNA is bouncing now.
3 o'clock.
See if you can get this TNA bounce toward the 71. I'm still long on TNA for day trading. For the swing trading is really doing really bad, but let's see if this one can bounce back a little bit.
Jared's long.
Cheers, guys. Have a good day.
Taking a long on
yeah.
TNA.
Bye.
Yeah. Have a good one, everybody. Bye now.